This is the final video to fix the at-a-glance weather missing issue on Google Pixel phones. And if you notice your weather info disappearing, you're not alone. This happens because Google sometimes turns off the weather widget automatically, or the system settings glitch after an update. Many tutorials online show long, confusing steps that are hard to follow. But here on Rexist, I'll share a simple trick that brings it back in seconds without extra apps or complicated menus. All you need to do is reset the at-a-glance widget from your home screen and check the location settings, and your weather will reappear instantly. If you want to make a full step-by-step guide showing every click, comment below, and I'll make it for you.